Hi guys, good morning. Today is Tuesday. I have a nail appointment and I'm going to be attempting to do like lash extensions for the first time. I want something really simple and minimal, so I'm going to try that out. And I also have to do my pedicure because it's been a long time. I haven't really done self-care in a long time, so I'm trying out this new salon I found on Instagram. Hopefully they are good. Hopefully they do everything I want to do. And I also want to do my lashes. I want to try lash extensions for the first time, so hopefully it works out nice. Pray for me guys. I'm going to be going in now. I need to find the mask. Okay, so I have my mask. It's no longer necessary to wear mask every time but everywhere, but I still carry mask in case I need something, or in case I go somewhere where they require a mask. I'll just have to wear it like straight up. Anyways, yeah, I'm going to be on my way now and I'll talk to you guys later. So I just got done with my self-care. So basically I didn't do anything to my nails, but it was the price was ridiculous. I don't think I'll come back here to do like my nails or pedicure, because first off, the nail price was ridiculous. I paid 350 TL for this. Secondly, the pedicure is not African pedicure. I don't know if you guys understand when I say African pedicure. It's like I want you to scrub my feet very well, like scrub it really tightly. Don't do nonsense. Don't be scrubbing my feet like they're baby feet. But anyways, yeah, and these are the lashes. This is my first time having lash extensions. I just wanted to experiment and see what it feels like and know if I would continue or not. So I'm going to keep you guys updated as time passes by. And yeah, that's pretty much it. I just wanted to come and talk to you guys. The guy was staring at me like, but anyways, yeah, living here is so different because there are not so many black people here, so it's just very weird for everyone when they see me. But yeah, oh, there's a cat. But anyways, yeah, I'm going to be on my way home now because it's a gloomy day. I don't want to be outside. I honestly do not want to be outside. Hi guys, today is Thursday, April. Today's April. Wow, today's Thursday. Because I saw April on my phone. Anyways, today is Thursday and I have a shoot, a commercial shoot. So I was told to be there at like 4:30, and right now I'm about to get ready, but not yet. It's currently 2:16 and the place is about 30 minutes away from my house. So I'm about to get ready, or start getting ready. I want to fix my hair because this is the hair I'll be wearing. I'm really rocking this wig. If you have not seen a review of this wig, please check it out. It's on my channel. So I want to like just fix the wig, you know, to make it look nicer, because I haven't really sat down to fix the wig because I've been so busy up and about. I also forgot I was vlogging yesterday, but yeah, it is what it is. A friend of mine came to Istanbul recently and she has been looking for an apartment to rent. Like, it's been a struggle, guys. Getting an apartment in Istanbul is a different level. I thought getting an apartment around SNU Beylikdüzü was a problem, but here it's it's a different problem. By the way, I moved to the Asian side. Anyways, it's a different problem entirely. First off, they ask you for a guarantor. They want you to have a guarantor. They want you to have a job. They want you to have... Sorry, hold on, my friend is calling me. I quickly had to take a shower because I received a phone call and I spent some time on the phone, so I had to go take a shower. But anyways, I have a job and I'm getting ready for the job. I'm going to do like a light makeup. I just like shaved my eyebrows. I don't know if I did the right thing. It's looking nice in the camera, which is weird. But anyways, so yeah, as I was saying, finding apartments in Istanbul now is the absolute ghetto. First off, they don't trust that you will be able to pay the rent. My question is, why do you think I'm going to go online to look for an apartment? I see your apartment, I see the price, and you think I cannot afford to pay the rent? That is just something I fail to understand, because I don't think I'm going to use my own 2 legs to put myself in a situation where I cannot cope. Does that make sense? Like, I understand the situation in Turkey with the whole what do you call it, with the whole economy. Guys, the economy in Turkey right now, if you left Turkey about 2 years ago or a year ago, everything has changed. Okay, I just thought I'll let you know, because the prices of things are ridiculously high. Everything is getting so expensive. Another issue I have with this whole situation is them asking for a guarantor. Imagine this person just came to Turkey. They want to find an apartment to stay. How do you expect them to know somebody in Turkey when they just came to Turkey? Or know a Turkish person in Turkey that can choose to stand for them when they just came to Turkey? Like, do you think people know people? It's not making sense to me. Nothing makes sense to me. I understand why they need a guarantor, because they're afraid to give their houses to people, and they're afraid to, you know, just give their house to a stranger who they don't even know to pay the rent, and then they want somebody who will stand for them. Another issue now is you not having a guarantor would require them to ask for 6 months to a year rent. So it's just like, okay, I'm coming to Turkey to probably study, because my friend came to study, or just live in Turkey. And you think if I had a year's worth of rent sitting in my account, I wouldn't go to find a way better apartment or find a better place to live at, or go to a different country or something, you know, be in a better situation, you know? But anyways, it is what it is. I'm just going to quickly start with my makeup. I'm doing a very light makeup. So I just finished getting ready. I'm about to leave home right now. This is what I look like. I actually really like the fact that I did these lashes, because it just makes makeup so easy. And I'm just wearing a white shirt because they told me to come with white shirt and white pants, but I don't own white pants, so I'm wearing the lightest pants I have. And yeah, that's pretty much it, guys. So I'm going to be on my way now. Hopefully I can get a taxi on time. You guys off at a really odd time or odd minute, I don't know. I just got back from my shoot. It's currently literally 5 minutes to 12 right now, and I am tired. This is the makeup I had today. It's just like a very it was like a Greek vibe. It's really cute. I had to make sure I did my makeup from home before going there, because I didn't want them to do a weird makeup for me and it would just look crazy. So I had to make sure I did my makeup at home before going, and it was a great decision for me because I didn't have to carry so many makeup items, so I don't misplace it, because I've misplaced foundation, setting powder, contour. I've misplaced so many things on set, so I didn't want to carry any makeup. So yeah, that's pretty much it. I'm just going to go take a shower and wash my face and take a shower because I'm really tired. and I'll talk to you guys tomorrow. Hi guys, good morning. So today is Sunday. This week has been funny. Sometimes I remember to vlog. I've been so busy that I forgot to vlog, because first off, I was looking for an apartment for my friend that came from Nigeria. I mentioned it earlier, and so the whole week was just play. But right now I'm about to go to Aksarai. That's where we usually get foodstuffs. Since I'm going to get like plantain, yam, all of those Nigerian food stuff. I just wanted to come and do the intro for you guys, just so you guys know I just don't see me out there in the streets of Istanbul.
I can't keep up with your mood swings. What is trouble in your mind? Are you doing this just to test me? I'm mad at handling this type of thing. Well, I don't get it. You say it's a man thing. Babe, I wanna be around. I just wanna make your heart sing, but you're not letting me get through to you. If you let your guard down, baby, this is what I'll do. I'll do. Come on, baby. Love you, I will love you, I will love you like a queen. I will love to take you to a place you've never been. Love you, I will love you, I will love you like a queen. I would love to take you to a place you've never been. What is trouble in your mind? Babe, why can't you just tell me? I just wanna be your bride. Wanna be. I wanna give our love wings. You're not letting me, get through to you. Yeah. If you let your guard down, baby, this is what I'll do. I'll do.
Hey guys, so I just got back home about 5 minutes ago. I went to Ikea to check for a couple of things. I got a couple of things I needed, and yeah, that's pretty much it. So that's pretty much it for this weekly vlog. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I didn't really do much, I know, because I was busy throughout this week, but hopefully next week it will be much better than this if I vlog. Let me know if you guys want me to keep vlogging, or yeah, just let me know. Anyways, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.